Hope you are all fine. Hope you are fine at your place. Please take care of your studies. Don't mingle here and there. We are doing our hard. We are doing our best to give you the message that studies are continuing. School is doing their best for you. Be careful, right? Lot of nuisance should not be created. Changing now, the point is changing method of voting. These days, we use an electronic voting machine (EVM) to record voters and preferences. But that is not how we started. But in the first general election, it was decided to place inside of each polling booth a box for each candidate with the election symbol of that candidate. Each voter was given a blank ballot paper which they had to drop into the box of the candidate and whom they wanted to vote for. Means पहले पहले क्या होता था? So there was a ballot box. Now EVM machine is there. Earlier that there was a ballot box. Or ballot box means they used to give you a one big lengthy paper. In that paper, the people who are going for the election, who stand for the election, who are fighting for the election, their names, their indications are being given. Right? You have to stamp on it. आपको एक बहुत लंबी सी पर्ची दे दी जाती थी जिनके ऊपर जो चुनाव लड़ रहे होते थे उनका नाम होता था और उनका सिग्नेचर्स होते थे कि किस टाइम के अंदर वो लड़ रहे हैं जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कांग्रेस का हाथ होता था बीजेपी या अदर पार्टी का जैसे कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी का सिक्कल होता था राइट अभी जैसे आजकल है बीजेपी का कम खिला हुआ कमल है तो इस तरीके से there were lot of signatures or lot of sign we used to be there in paper. What you have to do, you have to pick up the stamp and put the stamp on that particular sign on to which whom you want to be elected. आप उसके ऊपर अपना स्टैम्प कर देते थे जिससे आप चाहते थे कि बेसिकली वो चुना जाए ठीक है About 20 lakh steel boxes were used for this purpose. Earlier की बात करें जब ये हमारा इलेक्शन शुरू हुआ था तब हमारा इलेक्शन कैसा था किस तरीके से it was a really a mammoth work right so about 20 lakh boxes were used for this purpose prepared the ballot boxes each box had to have its candidate symbol both inside and outside it, and outside on either side has to be displayed the name of the candidate in Urdu, Hindi, and you know other another one is Punjabi language. So what to do? अब आपके पास तो आप इस वक्त आपके पास English है, right? You are lots of people are literate one. At that time, only 13% people they were only literate, right? 13% people and many women and many other people they were absolutely illiterate and 13 to 15% people they were eligible voters they were literate right so it was a difficult task so उन्होंने क्या किया कि three they choose three languages in which they were very much comfortable they chose Hindi one right they chose Punjabi one and they have another language also Urdu because we have just got the partition from Pakistan. That is the reason that we have got the Urdu language was also there. Hindi and Punjabi, along with the number of the constituency, the polling station and the polling booth, the paper sealed with the numerical description of the candidate signed by the presiding officer. So, presiding officer, they have to sign it over there, and it was a very heavy task for the presiding officer, the nodal officer, and other people whosoever was indulged in preparing for the election. Up to about now, these days are very easy. There is an electronic voting machine, and names other signatures were there on which you want to be you want to be the person you want to be chosen by you. So you put a thumb on that particular person name, and within a blink, within a second, his name is there, and your job is done. And then the voters are voting thing are to be counted. Whatever voting numerics are there, that is to be counted, and result is there. It is much easier now, but earlier it was not so easy. Right. Next, the election, Congress dominance in the first three general elections. Now I want to tell you about the main part, that Congress domination. Congress domination into the first three elections. The result of the first general election did not surprise anyone. Now, suppose you want to have that your question paper has been done by you, solved it really nicely, and you are going to get very good marks. I'm sorry, and you got the marks, got very good marks, right? So you are not surprised that you received very good marks, right? So people were also not very surprised, because that time only one party was the dominating party, and that party was Congress party. Parallel to this party, no parallel party was there. And in Congress, what was the main? Big leaders were fighting the election. Big leaders were fighting the election. Right. The result of the first general election did not surprise anyone. Here it is in this paragraph. Yeah. The last paragraph you must see. Enlarge the screen. Right. The Indian National Congress was expected to win this election. I told you, Indian National Congress. The Congress Party, as it was popularly known, had inherited legacy of national movement. Look, why they were not surprised? Look, as I told you, the Congress Party was one of the best party at that time. उसके समकक्ष में कोई था ही नहीं. No, there is a one simple joke. A boy, he was in fourth standard. He he was first in his examination. Right. He was when result came. He was the first, and his father asked him, "Who is the second one?" He said, "No one." Means, is how you are the first one, because I am the only candidate. I was the only candidate who appeared before the examination. Nobody else. Nobody else. Means there was no other party with the parallel to the Congress party. कांग्रेस पार्टी के पैरेलल में कोई पार्टी नहीं. Right. So, and yeah, yeah, he was there. Yes, in control. No, when when you want when you want something from yourself, you have to give your best. Congress party did it did its best to it. So Congress got dominated. Now another party, BJP, did its best. So you voted for the BJP. So don't think that others are not watching you. But result is yours. You do your best. Congress party did its best, the result was the best. Communist party did its best in Kolkata or in West Bengal and Kerala, the result is best. So if you want good result, give your best, give 100% to your work. So there should be no disappointment that you have not done well. Right? Rest on this video. Till then, take care. दो गज की दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी. Be careful. Take care. God bless you. Thank you, and have a nice day.